Fixing common Amazon advertising mistakes can save you thousands of dollars in wasted Amazon PPC spent. In this video, you will learn 3 critical PPC errors many sellers make and what causes them, and specific solutions to reduce your advertising costs and eliminate underperforming campaigns. We are going to use Helium 10, and if you want to try Helium 10, this tool for yourself, you'll find the discount code and the sign up link below in the video description.
Ever find yourself wondering why the PPC ads you're running on Amazon just aren't bringing in more sales, or why your impressions are so low? Trust me, you're not alone. Amazon PPC can get pretty complicated. If you're not sure what's going wrong, don't worry, we've got you covered. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm from Klik, and in this video, we're going to talk about 3 common PPC mistakes that might be holding your campaigns back. Plus, we'll share some industry tips to help you fix them and start boosting your conversions and sales. First up, ads having low impressions. If you're targeting the wrong ones, your ads might not be reaching the right people. Next, low conversions in your Amazon PPC campaigns. Maybe your price point or shipping costs are scaring customers off, even if they click your ad. And finally, trouble lowering ACOS. They can really hurt your chances of converting clicks into actual sales. Stick around and we'll show you exactly how to fix these mistakes and get your Amazon PPC campaigns performing better, with higher impressions, more clicks, and of course, more sales. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you might notice when you are running your PPC ads is that the ad campaigns are currently having low or no impressions at all. The possible reasons why this happens is because you are not selecting the right keywords according to your customer's journey. Impressions are crucial in PPC advertising as they determine how often your ads are seen, and reaching the right audience is key to maximizing their impact. Understanding your customer's journey helps you choose relevant keywords that align with their search intent, ensuring your ads appear where they matter most. Failing to target the right audience or include effective keywords can result in low to no impressions, ultimately limiting your campaign's success. For example, a brand selling nursing pillows will see better results targeting keywords like ergonomic nursing pillow for newborns, rather than just baby pillow, ensuring their ads reach parents actively searching for feeding support solutions. If people aren't seeing your ads, they are not clicking, and without clicks, there's little chance of turning those views into sales. Keywords selected have low search volume. This is another possible reason. Using keywords with low search volume in your PPC campaigns can significantly limit your ads' visibility, resulting in fewer impressions. This reduced exposure means your ads are less likely to reach potential customers, ultimately decreasing click-through rates and conversions. In turn, your budget may be underutilized, and your campaign's overall performance could fall short of achieving its goals. Another reason could be you are bidding too low on your campaigns. With low bids may cause your ads to be outbid by competitors, reducing their chances of appearing in search results. That will mean limited visibility. Next implication is fewer impressions. With decreased visibility, your ads will reach fewer potential customers. Then you will have reduced clicks and conversions. Limited exposure directly impacts the number of clicks, lowering the chances of converting leads into sales. And poor budget utilization. While bidding low may save money initially, it can prevent your campaign from gaining momentum and delivering meaningful results. When you have low budget on your campaigns, you will have limited ad visibility. A low budget may restrict how often your ads are shown, reducing overall impressions. It can also mean early budget exhaustion. With a small budget, your campaign may run out of funds quickly, causing your ads to stop appearing early in the day. With this, you will have also reduced reach. Fewer impressions mean your ads may miss valuable opportunities to connect with potential customers. And this will have a domino effect on your clicks as well and conversions. With limited exposure, the chances of driving traffic and achieving conversions will also be decreased. And miss competitive opportunities. Competitors with higher budgets may dominate key ad placements, further limiting your visibility. Here are the tips to troubleshoot or to fix these issues. First is to review or optimize keyword selection. Align Align keywords with customer journey. Make sure the keywords you're bidding on reflect the specific needs and search intent of your target audience. For example, focus on long-tail keywords like postpartum nursing pillow rather than generic terms like baby pillow. Another is to utilize keyword research tools. Use tools like Helium 10 to identify high-volume, relevant keywords that match your customer's journey and search behavior. You can use Helium 10's magnet tool for this as well. Second tip is to improve your keyword quality. Avoid low search volume keywords. If your selected keywords have low search volume, replace them with those that have more frequent searches while still targeting your audience effectively. This will help increase impressions and drive traffic to your ads. Next, with improving keyword quality, you have to test keyword variations. Experiment with different variations of your target keywords to find the ones that perform best in driving impressions and clicks. Next tip is to increase your bids. Raise your bids to compete. If your ads are not appearing due to low bids, increase your bids to make sure your ads are competitive in the auction and get more visibility. Next is monitor competitor bids. Regularly check competitors' bid levels and adjust your own bids to stay competitive while staying within your desired cost per click range. When you're done with this, reevaluate and adjust your budget. Allocate a sufficient budget. If your budget is too low, your ads may stop running early in the day, reducing impressions. And one way to avoid this is to increase your daily budget to ensure your ads are shown throughout the day. Distribute budgets strategically. If your total budget is limited, allocate more funds to high-performing ads or campaigns that are most likely to drive impressions and conversions. Next tip can be to refine audience targeting. Ensure proper audience segmentation. Make sure your targeting is focused on the right demographic, location, and interests. This ensures your ads reach people actively searching for products like yours, increasing the likelihood of impressions. Use negative keywords. Add negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches that could waste your budget without generating valuable impressions. Another tip is to optimize ad copy and quality score. Amazon prioritizes ads with high relevance and quality scores. Write compelling, relevant copy that closely matches your keywords and appeals to your audience. Test your ad variation. Regularly test different versions of your ad copy to identify what resonates best with your audience, boosting your ad's effectiveness and impressions. Lastly, monitor and analyze campaign performance. Track performance regularly. Use PPC analytics tools to monitor how your ads are performing in terms of impressions, clicks, and conversion. Make sure to adjust based on performance data. Use A/B testing as well. Run A/B tests on keywords, bids, budgets, and targeting to identify the best combination of maximizing impressions and driving successful campaigns. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and improve low or no impressions in your PPC campaigns, ensuring that your ads reach the right audience and drive better results. The second PPC mistake is if you're experiencing low conversions in your Amazon PPC campaigns. It could be due to issues in the advertising journey. Your ads may be getting clicked, but something is causing potential customers to not follow through with their purchases. Let's dive into some possible reasons and actions you can take to fix this. First is advertising journey problems. There are clicks but no conversions. Your ad is attracting clicks, but something on the product detail page or during the checkout process is turning buyers away. It could be the images and price points. Your images and price might be drawing people in, but there might be other factors like high shipping costs or a confusing product description can cause customers to leave before making a purchase. What can you do to improve conversions? Tweak pricing and offer promotions. If your product is getting clicks but not converting, it may be worth adjusting your price slightly or offering promotions like discounts or coupons. Try a limited time offer or free shipping. These small incentives can give customers a little nudge to make the purchase. Another actionable step is to review product retail readiness. Make sure your product listings are fully optimized, including clear, high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and compelling features that align with what your customers want. Ensure your product is in stock and ready for immediate shipment. Another could be to split test your images. A/B test different images. Try testing different types of images to see which ones resonate most with your audience. For example, showing your product in use can help potential buyers visualize its value. Check for negative reviews. Negative reviews can significantly impact conversions. Review any customer feedback, and if there are common issues, address them through your product and listing adjustments. Responding to reviews or improving your product could rebuild trust and encourage conversions. Next tip could be to do a competitor analysis. Look at what your competitors are doing. Investigate how your competitors are positioning their products, and review their pricing, images, and descriptions to understand what might be driving their success. Split test competitor strategies. Once you understand what works for others, consider split testing those elements with your own products to see if you can replicate their success. Next is to shuffle and refine your keywords. Look for underperforming keywords, bleeders, and check your current keywords and find the ones that are underperforming. These keywords could be wasting your ad spend. Negate the irrelevant keywords. Negative keywords can help you stop bidding on terms that aren't converting, improving your overall ad spend efficiency. Don't be afraid to get a bit more aggressive with relevant, high-intent keywords. If you're confident in the quality of your product listing and the product itself, targeting those more competitive keywords could pay off in the long run. By taking these steps, you can optimize your Amazon PPC campaigns not only for clicks but for actual conversions, turning your ad spend into profitable sales. Keep refining your approach and don't be afraid to experiment until you find what works best for your products. The third and the final PPC mistake that we're going to talk about today is troubleshooting high ACOS in your campaigns. If your campaigns are showing high ACOS, don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you identify the causes and apply strategies to lower it. First, start with sponsored products. Identify underperforming campaigns. Pinpointing these campaigns allow you to focus your efforts where they're needed most. Preventing wasted ad spend. In the ads console, sort the column by the highest ACOS. Open those underperforming campaigns in a new tab. On a campaign level check, go to the placement tab. Check if there's a placement modifier in use. Lowering the modifier can reduce aggressive spending in costly placements, improving ACOS. Or leaving it unchanged may maintain visibility, but it could continue driving up costs. On the ad group level check, if your campaign has multiple ad groups, sort ad groups by highest spend and review their ACOS. Open the underperforming ad groups in a new tab for deeper analysis. Sorting by spend helps you prioritize which ad groups are eating up your budget without delivering strong returns. Next is the ad level check. If you're following a linear campaign structure, check the advertised products. If you're advertising multiple variations, sort the column as desired and pause underperforming products. If you're advertising a single product, proceed to the next step. Pausing poorly performing products prevents wasted ad spend on listings that aren't converting and allowing your budget to focus on top performing items. Now, if you're advertising a single product, this is the next step. Targeting level check. Sort the columns by highest ACOS. Click the ACOS column to sort from high to low. Review targets. If they're irrelevant to the product, pause them. Pausing irrelevant targets eliminates wasted clicks, helping you invest in keywords that actually convert. Convert your current bid versus the average CPC or suggested bid. Adjusting your bids strategically helps ensure you're competitive without overspending. Now to adjusting bids. For underperforming targets, there are two options. Option A is to lower bids by 5 to 10 cents. Small adjustments help fine-tune spending without drastically cutting traffic, while option B, decrease bids by 10 to 20% for a stronger adjustment. A more aggressive reduction may quickly cut costs but could reduce exposure if done too drastically. For an aggressive approach, decrease by more than 10 cents or reduce bids in 20% increments. For a conservative approach, stick to lowering bids by 5 to 10 cents. If working with exact match or product targeting campaigns, stop optimizing here and no further steps are needed. But if you're working with auto, broad, phrase, or category targeting, continue to the next step. For the next step, dive into search terms. Sort the spend column from highest to lowest. Review search terms carefully. If irrelevant, negate it. Negating irrelevant terms reduces wasted ad spend. If relevant but has high ACOS, move it to another campaign and negate it in the current one. Moving the high ACOS keywords in a dedicated campaign gives you more control over their performance and bid strategy. If you already targeted in an exact or product targeting campaign, negate it to push traffic towards the more controlled campaign. This method improves efficiency by centralizing traffic in campaigns where bids and targeting are better managed. Lastly, review and monitor. Allow at least 4 to 7 days for the adjustments to take effect and gather data. If ACOS is still high, Repeat the steps and continue adjusting bids incrementally based on your chosen approach, aggressive or conservative. Giving your campaigns time to adjust ensures you make informed decisions based on updated data rather than reacting too quickly. Lowering high ACOS isn't about drastic changes. It's about making calculated adjustments that gradually improve your campaign's efficiency. By identifying weak points, poor performers, and refining bids, you can reduce wasted ad spend and focus your budget on strategies that actually convert. Remember, PPC success is a process. Consistency, data-driven decisions, and patience are key. Stick with it and you'll see the ACOS numbers drop while your sales climb. So there you have it, the 3 common PPC mistakes that could be holding your campaigns back, and more importantly, how to fix them. Whether it's targeting the wrong keywords, high prices or shipping costs turning customers away, or struggling to lower your ACOS, we've got the tips you need to start improving your Amazon PPC results. Boost your conversions and sales with the tips that we just provided. Again, Amazon PPC doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right strategies, you can turn those low impressions and clicks into real sales. If you want to try Helium 10's all-in-one Amazon seller tool to do more advanced and effective keyword research and keyword tracking, save big using our coupon codes in the description of this video below. Get 10% off any Helium 10 monthly plans using coupon code ORANGE10, or get 20% off the first 6 months using the Orange 6M20 code. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Orange Klik for more. And if you have any questions or want further help, drop a comment below and we're always here to help you succeed. Again, this is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to fix your common PPC mistakes and save you some money on your Amazon advertising. If you need help optimizing your PPC campaigns, sign up for Helium 10, an all-in-one tool suite for Amazon sellers, and you can use our discount code to sign up for Helium 10, so you will find everything in the video description. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy the content we create. And if you have additional comments and questions, leave them in the comments section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where we explain more strategies to improve your Amazon PPC performance. So check this out.